Chapter 3. Building Conceptual Understanding in Elementary Math. Teaching mathematics without clarity and meaning is like painting a fence without primer. Dennis G. Rancourt. Introduction. Building conceptual understanding in elementary math is crucial for students as it forms the foundation for success in more advanced math courses and other subjects that require mathematical reasoning. To build this foundation, teachers must help students develop a deep understanding of mathematical concepts rather than simply memorizing procedures. This chapter will define conceptual understanding, discuss its benefits, and provide specific strategies for promoting it in elementary math classrooms. Definition of conceptual understanding in elementary math. Conceptual understanding in elementary math refers to the ability of students to connect mathematical concepts and apply them in various contexts. It involves a deep understanding of the underlying concepts that are being learned and the ability to apply them in real-world situations. It is more than just memorizing procedures and formulas. It is about understanding the why and how behind those procedures and formulas. This understanding allows students to apply what they have learned to new and unfamiliar situations. For example, if a student has conceptual understanding of multiplication, they will understand that multiplication is a shortcut for repeated addition, and they will be able to apply this understanding to solve problems that involve multiplication, such as finding the area of a rectangle or calculating the cost of buying multiple items. Benefits of conceptual understanding in elementary math. Promoting conceptual understanding in elementary math has numerous benefits, both for students' future success in math and other subjects, and for their development as problem solvers and critical thinkers. By building a deeper understanding of mathematical concepts, students are better equipped to solve complex problems and think creatively. A deeper understanding of mathematical concepts also leads to better performance on standardized tests, as students are more likely to retain information and apply it to new situations. Furthermore, having a strong conceptual understanding of math can help students in other subjects that require mathematical reasoning and in real-life situations, such as budgeting and measuring. Strategies for promoting conceptual understanding in elementary math. Several strategies can be used to promote conceptual understanding in elementary math. Teachers can use these strategies to help students make connections between mathematical concepts and to build a deep understanding of the underlying concepts. Concrete Representational Abstract, CRA, approach. A teaching method that is often used in mathematics education to help students develop a deeper understanding of mathematical concepts. This approach involves 3 stages. Concrete stage. In this stage, students use manipulatives or real-life objects to explore mathematical concepts. For example, students may use blocks or counters to model addition and subtraction problems. Representational stage. In this stage, students use drawings or diagrams to represent the manipulatives they used in the concrete stage. For example, students may draw pictures of the blocks they used to solve the addition and subtraction problems. Abstract stage. In this stage, students use mathematical symbols and equations to represent the concepts they have learned in the concrete and representational stages. For example, students may write the addition and subtraction problems using numbers and symbols. The CRA approach allows students to build on their prior knowledge and move gradually from concrete examples to more abstract concepts. This approach helps students to understand the meaning behind mathematical operations and develop a deeper understanding of mathematical concepts. Problem-based learning, PBL. This approach involves using real-world problems to promote conceptual understanding. Teachers can use real-world problems that are relevant to their students' lives to help them see the value of math in everyday situations. For example, students could work on a project that involves calculating the cost of materials for building a garden or designing a budget for a trip to a theme park. Number talks. This approach involves using daily discussions about math to encourage students to explain their thinking and build conceptual understanding. Teachers can ask open-ended questions that encourage students to share their thinking and reasoning, such as how did you figure that out? Can you explain why you chose that strategy? These discussions can help students to think more deeply about mathematical concepts and to learn from their peers. Math journals. This approach involves using writing prompts to encourage students to reflect on their mathematical thinking and build conceptual understanding. For example, students could be asked to write about a time when they used math in their everyday life, or to explain how they solved a particular math problem. Writing about math allows students to reflect on their thinking and to communicate their understanding in a different way.